Good morning, everybody, and today I'm going to just show you how to do a real quick dimension drawing using Fusion 360. Probably breaking a couple of rules in the meantime of it, but at least it'll get you kind of started and how to access all this. So I just have a basic screw right here. You see, nothing fancy, and I'll show you basically how to dimension all this stuff. Just so that it's actually dimensioned, so it's something that you can actually hand into somebody. All right, so I have it made. I'm going to go up onto the top left over here and go to Drawing from Design. Highlights it, so that's what I want to create the drawing from. And let's take a look here. Create the drawing from scratch, use the ASME template, inches unit. We can change this to be A size, and I'm going to do this in the landscape mode. So the width is first, hit OK. Sometimes it takes a couple seconds for it to do. All right, there it is. So it tells me the title of the part, the folder that it's in, and I'm going to go here and change a couple of things. The orientation is front, which is what I want. Shaded, so that it's nice looking. Scale, I'm going to do a 1:1 scale. Type that in, brings it up. And this is just showing how the different edges are in. So now I'm just going to click it into place. It's there, and I'm going to hit OK. Now let's try something here. These are just going to change them right to the different orientation. Let's just go back to the left. I'll leave it just like that, so it's good. Hit OK. Now that is in. If I want to add more views in, I can right click on it and I go projected view. Click it, drag it over, and I can go to edit view. Oh, so that's from the side view there. But if I want to right click and project view up to get the other view, click, and now I have that view. I'm just going to bring that right over. Let's see. I'm going to do, I don't know which one I want. I'm going to do that view right there. Check it, and it's good. So those are my two views. If I want to drag and move things around, I can. If I want to get that orthographic view over there, click, right click, projected view, and I can drag up, and there it is. Check into place, and we're good. I'm just going to move this all over. All right, so those are my views that I need for this. I probably can get away with even that view there, but I'll leave it. Now, we're going to put in a couple of things. If I want to put in the center mark, right, I can click on this, and notice it puts it in there. If I want to show the center line, I click the edges that I want to use. Notice center line's in. All right, so those are some basic things right there. If I want to put actual dimensions in, it shows you here, dimension, and it can do ordinate dimension or just dimension between two points. So if I want to go and do an overall, click the bottom and top, and then I can place the dimension in that. If I want to do continue on from that top edge, click, and it shows me how deep that is. And I can continue on. That. And there we have it. You can hit escape to go in. And if I want to move these, just drag them in like that. This is where it's like a little weird. I feel like Inventor does this a little bit better sometimes. But you can drag and move them around. Even this. There we go. So I have those dimensions. And if I want to get like that, how round that dimension is, I can get that one as well. And if I want to get how the diameter of these, I can do that. Click on that. And I just click on that. That's telling me the radius of it. It's 0.5. If I want this diameter down here, I can get it as well. All right, it's 0.49. All right, measuring in there. And let's see, I can probably get the radius on this as well. So if I zoom in, and it's giving me the radius of the fillet, I can put it in as a note. Now, say I do want to put in notes. So if you click on these, it doesn't give you the threads. Now just gonna hit escape. I'm gonna save this. The threads were based on the diameter of this. If you don't remember what you did off the top of your head, you can go back to the original thing, original part. Double click, let's see, click on your timeline, double click on that, and it tells me it's a 1/2 inch by 12 unified thread. It's also right-handed. So this is what I need to know. I actually want unified course. So 1/2 13 unified course. I can go back to this. I can add a note or text in. Let's go like this with the arrow. Select edge, click, and then I can go 1/2 inch 13 UNC thread. So then that's my thread note right there. And that's pretty much good to go. Like I said, it's probably breaking a couple of rules, but at least I have everything there if I want to move this up. Click on it, move it up, right? Now I got everything in the way I need it. I could probably move this over as well. So I can technically screenshot this little this and put this into my project if I want, or if you want to output the whole PDF and do it that way, you can. So that's just some basic dimensioning. It takes a little practice to get used to, but it's easy enough. So I hope that answered some of your questions, if not all of them at this point. But if you have more, please don't hesitate to ask. All right, have a good day. Bye.